In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a new template in Gmail. Using templates is a great way to save time if you often send similar emails, like follow-ups, confirmations, or introductions. Instead of rewriting the same message over and over, you can create it once and reuse it whenever you need. First, let's make sure templates are properly set up in your Gmail. Start on your Gmail inbox. At the top right corner, click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. When the quick settings panel opens on the right side, look for the option that says See All Settings and click on that. This will take you to the full settings page. Along the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This is where Gmail keeps features that are a bit more specialized, including templates. On the Advanced Settings page, scroll until you find the section called Templates. Here, you'll see whether templates are enabled or disabled. If templates are currently disabled, you would normally click to enable them. In this guide, the option shown is Disable, which means templates are already turned on. If you see Disable, just leave it as it is so templates stay active. Once you've confirmed that, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox with the updated settings. Now let's create the email that you want to save as a template. Back in your inbox, click on the Compose button, usually found on the left side. A new message window will open. Here, write the email exactly how you want the template to look. You can add a subject line, body text, formatting, and even placeholders like brackets, where you'll later fill in names or dates. You don't need to add recipients for the template itself. When you're happy with the content, look at the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Click on the 3 vertical dots to open the More Options menu. In that menu, hover over or click on Templates. A sub-menu will appear. From there, choose Save Draft as Template, and then select Save as New Template. Gmail will then ask you to name your template. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, and confirm. Your email is now saved.